Online scams. Online scams are tricks that criminals use to steal money. They often send fake emails or messages. These messages look real, so people can easily believe them. A common scam is when someone pretends to be a bank. They ask for personal information like passwords or card numbers. If people share this information, the criminal can take their money. Another scam is when someone offers a fake job or prize. They ask you to pay a small fee to receive the reward, but the reward never comes. It is important to be suspicious of offers that look too good to be true. To stay safe, people should never click on strange links. They should not download unknown files or share private information online. Checking the sender's email address also helps. Being careful online protects your money. Learning about scams helps people recognize danger and avoid problems.